Oops, my heart went.
Thanks! Can I have it back?
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hey Squidgers! We just got a bunch of fidgets and we're gonna open them. First, we got some fidgets from Family Dollar. First, we got this big squishy yum pack of mochis. It came in this adorable flower container. First, we have this, what looks like to be a polar bear. It's super cute. Is it squishy?
Yeah.
Next, we have this fish. I literally love this so much. And they have this seal. This is literally adorable. Oh my gosh. And we have this, what is it?
Narwhal.
It looks like a narwhal. I don't know. I have no idea what this is, but it's literally so cute and super squishy.
This is a sheep, and, well, it kind of looks like a sheep, but it's super cute and squishy.
And we got this chick. This is adorable.
And we found out this was actually a squirrel.
Next, we got these two splat balls. We got one tomato and a frog. I'm so sorry we couldn't fit this all into one video. We will be making a part 2 and we will be uploading it very, very soon. So check it out.
Send it to your siblings. Send it right now. Okay!
Why you always so rude? Why you always calling me a noob? Always telling me what I should do. Stop stealing my food. If I hit a nerve then I'm screwed. Don't make me go and burn your precious shoes.
Come da venga vedi I love you.
I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my dress. In the torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth breakers, dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, laid back, diamonds on your front piece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold.
Ooh, the clouds. Doesn't look. Okay guys, so I just came back from Walmart and I got a bunch of fidget toys. I'm going to show you guys now. I got these two Neatos. I got a blue one and a pink one. Got these monkey noodles. These are only $4, which is really nice. I don't know what these are, but these are by Neatos and they look really cool. I got a Play-Doh. I got these two mini brands and series too. I got these two kinetic sand. I got one in this cookie dough one and then the watermelon one. And they're scented, and Charlie D'Amelio did a video on these and she liked them. Then I also got this fidget toy pack that I've seen all over TikTok, and I'm really excited to open it. Go to part 2 for all the openings.
Мамуля, у меня болит живот, компьютер поменьше ты задрот. Причем же здесь компьютерман? Закрой свой рот, а то по жопе дам.
Simple Dimple. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай.
Okay, so I wanted 4, so let's click the color button 4 times. And then let's change to large and try. 1, 2, oh, you lost, so let's try again because I'm nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, skip over 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm sorry, you lost, but you can always try again one more time.
sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hey guys, I just got these new poppets. Let's see if we can trade them for anything good. Hey, do you have anything good to offer for these 4 new pastel poppets? Wow, those look cool. I'll add this, a snappers, and a bare simple dimple. These weren't even opened yet, so can you please add? Okay, sure. I'll add this blue and pink infinity cube. I'll also add this glitter stress ball. It's really cool. I don't know. Maybe can you just add a little bit more, please? Fine, I'll add this bunny rainbow.
Build.
Simple Dimple. Pop It. Добавляй. Забирай.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.